Hello, my name's Mark Stapleton and I've been the project manager for R766 for some 12 years. In the beginning, whilst in Melbourne, we commenced the re-gauging of this locomotive, which involved removing both cylinders, and all the other motion brackets were removed, the spacers were taken out, new bolts were made, and the whole assembly put back together. In that time, we also had the opportunity, thanks to Steam Rail Victoria, to use the wheels of R700, which then became the wheels that are now letting R766 stand upon. The engine has also had new roller bearings and new tyres. In addition to the driving wheels being re-gauged, this work was also done to the leading truck, the trailing truck and the tender wheels. The leading truck, trailing truck and tender wheels have been replaced to ordinary freight type wheels with, again, brand new bearings. This is the cab of R766, and there isn't anything really any different from any other R-Class that's running currently in Victoria. The only modification that we have made is this lubricator, which was given to me by Steam Rail for the air compressor, and this gauge here, which we have fitted, which is a pilot drifting gauge. Also with the boiler, we've had to replace a number of tubes, and soon it will be required to have several wall stays replaced as they are broken. When this particular locomotive was leased to West Coast Railway at Ballarat, they modified the engine to burn oil fuel similar to R711, which will be a bit of a godsend when we go eventually out running the engine on the main line. The other thing that this particular information video is for, prior to doing any trials, we really need to fit an ICE radio to the locomotive. And ICE radios aren't cheap, and without the ICE radio we cannot venture onto the main line and do any trials at all. So it's you people, hopefully, will come to the party. The work is done, the engine is finished, we just need your help to get us over the line and get this ICE radio so we can start the process of doing trials. I thank you for your time.